So hello friend, welcome to our channel One Stop Learner, place where you can learn numerous skills for free from our different tech experts. And I'm here to teach you basically computer related coding stuff or courses in front of you. So without getting any further delay, um, let's get started to our new course, Learn JavaScript from Scratch, where mainly my intention to develop your coding skill in JavaScript so you're gonna build your own website without any agitations. So let's get started. So here a quick introduction on JavaScript first before starting anything coding inside JavaScript. Okay, so JavaScript basically is a lightweight object-oriented programming language, I can say, or scripting languages basically, which is used by several websites for scripting the website. Okay, so JavaScript is a cross-platform which is used by or supported by several operating systems, and all web browsers basically has inbuilt execution environment for this JavaScript. So it doesn't require any software to install. You can easily write JavaScript code inside Notepad and then start executing it directly to the web pages using web browsers. So initially, this is introduced in 1995 in the Netscape Navigator browser to Mark Anderson, sorry. So who initially introduced this language as a glue language with the HTML pages. So each developer can design our web pages like a program. Okay, so many candidates also confused about the JavaScript and Java because both are same. So of course the answer is no. So there's no connection at the time when JavaScript was launched. That time Java was unborn. So it's just like people using that as a programming languages, and this is a scripting languages. So the name nomenclature might be like a JavaScript based on that. So it's not a kind of compiled languages. This is a translated. Every browser support their translation in the web browser. This is also case sensitive. Okay, and of course this is supportable by several operating systems. Okay, so next, where we can write JavaScript code, how we can run it. So basically the first question in every developer's mind for beginners at least, how exactly we can write a code in JavaScript and how exactly we can execute it. So let's just like remove that doubt. So we either use our notepad and all our available browser in our systems. So first one, without any installation, you can start learning this JavaScript programming. Okay, so by using Notepad and a web browser. Second one, you can go through either several installations packages you have, installer file, Node.js, VS Code, etc., to which also you can develop your JavaScript programming. The last one, there are a number of online compilers available on the website, just like Stackbase, etc. You have, so you can start hitting this URL and start writing your JavaScript code. So without any further delay, let's get started. How exactly we can write a code in JavaScript? Yeah, so first go to just create any folder, just like I created here, JS. Okay, right there, just open a notepad and simple notepad, and right there you can write anything like if a simple message I wanted to show in front of you. So like welcome to One Stop Learner. Okay, and we just like save this file as a JavaScript file. So how exactly we can save it? By using double quote here. When you press Control S, right there, you have to mention whatever name you wanted to mention. So JS file, I just mentioned .js is mandatory here. So this will convert this file from text to JS. Okay. So just save it. Okay, so one JavaScript file is created in front of you. Then I created a new file by pressing Control N, and right there we have to write HTML command. Okay, so just like I'm using HTML tag to create a HTML page, then in that I'm creating one header file, header tag, and within that tag we have to utilize our scripting, JavaScript, whatever file we have created. So how exactly we can create that? So by using script tag, you have to mention the source script, where exactly your source file exists or JavaScript file exists. Okay, so you mention your file name is file01.js. This is my file name available in this folder. If this is not in the same folder, then you have to mention the proper fully qualified path here before that. Okay. And in HTML, whatever tag you have opening it, right? So you have to close that. So this is a HTML file. So let's save it. JS HTML01.html is mandatory here. Okay, so .html is mandatory. Rest you can name anything in the left-hand side of this dot. Okay, use double quotes so that file will not save in the text box. This should be in the HTML. Okay, so just save it. Okay, so double click on this. So once you double click on it, okay, you can see here, you can get an alert. Welcome to stop alert. So this is how exactly we can write a code and test it. So this is the actual help for the developer so that developer get notified, okay, the code is working. Whatever you are writing in JavaScript, in this way, you can get a good. Many people use also here the console.log. Okay. So how exactly console.log will be implemented in JS? So let it open in Notepad++. Okay. So right here, we have to write console.log and right there, I just like mention one message, one stop. Now, okay. So by saving this, and when you go to the file, if you refresh it, okay, and go to inspect element, and right there, you have to press on the console. Okay. So when you press on the console, you can see here stop learn is reflected. Many developers, when you go further, you start utilizing this console.log to check what value is exactly coming to you, method, functions, anywhere. Okay, we can see that later. And yeah, so this is kind of basics programming, I can say in JavaScript. Further, there are a lot more. So we will take this in further sessions. Okay. So yeah, that's all about this JavaScript. Okay. So if you like this, please subscribe me. Yeah, fellow channels are given. You can hit like and subscribe. Thank you.